before I explain what that video is, if you can't tell, I am a little sick. So I'm wearing this mask right here so I don't spread it to my stuff and so I don't look weird. But anyway, apart from that, today's video is a little different from normal. Normally we have gameplay, and tier list ones or something. I don't know. But today's video will be an unboxing. Now, I don't normally do that. I could have unboxed my mouse and all that and, showed you and all that, but I didn't, and I just thought, while I had it, while I had the chance, might as well. So, I had waited months for it to be back in stock. I had waited weeks for it to come here, and then I had to wait days before I opened it, because I was really bad, and I didn't want to open it really sick and horrible. But, I do feel a lot better. Just, sorry for my voice and all that. So, shall we get to it? Yeah, we see we have my, mouse and all that and keyboard, but this is what we're doing it on today. I'm actually gonna move my mouse and stuff away, so we have more stuff to do this. My keyboard should be fine, sorry about that, but we shall open. So inside the box we have my new keycaps, and if you can't tell the brand, which some of you might not, I'll show this way. It is Matrix. That's it. It's Matrix keyboards. Now you might know some pros who use it, like Fortnite pros like Clicks and Booger who used it and all that. 60% keyboards they sell. But today we have their keycaps. So these keycaps are the Matrix PBT Flamingo keycaps. That is the name of them. I'm not gonna lie, I have watched a review on this and they do look pretty nice the way it's packaged and all. Although I'm no expert at unboxing and packages, this does look nice. Now, back, ooh, nice print, if you can't see what that is. I don't know if you can tell what that is, but try to get the light. Yeah. So what they are is it's keyboard, full keyboard, and it's kind of a print because you can run your finger over it and it shows. So shows even the keycap puller. Pretty nice. I do have to mention this is a full size keyboard. These keycaps, it comes for a full size keyboard. Yeah, let's get to opening them. I probably should have undone that first, but whatever. So, I'm inside. Ooh. Gonna keep this box for later. I preserve all my boxes just in case. So, a little sick, like I said before. Ooh. It's got a protective plastic case on it. Move that off to the side. We got some bad boys right here. Plastic, got a little weight, probably because of the keycaps. If I pull it up, oh, it's attached to the, so it shouldn't drop if I, nah. Yeah. Turn that so you see my face, real quick, see the top. They don't pull because they are stuck. So I'll pull the keycap puller out. I'll just do a face cam real quick. This is the keycap puller. Pretty nice, plastic, but should work. Let's find out. Turn that back off. We'll go back to the mouse keyboard kit. We'll pull an arrow key for now. Put that in. Ooh. Without wanting to ruin the pink. Turn the webcam back on real quick so you can get a close up. Easier close up. See there? It's the stem, so it's the like the key switches. The cherry, so they're all plugged in like so. Push that The click, nice and smooth. Now, just feeling, running my fingers over them, they have this nice sensation when touching it. Now, problem is, we're gonna have to swap. So, if you excuse me, future me will speed this up. One key left. Oh, dude, these keycaps look amazing. I'm gonna quickly put that there. Grab the stone, put it over. Put this back into the box so you can keep it in case we need to put anything like that. Bam, 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 bam. Alright, so we have unboxed the keycaps. We have brought them back. So I'm gonna bring this back real quick. Sorry, just wiping it off. So I don't know why O and P are like that. 8, 9, 0 are a little tough. Otherwise, all the other keys aren't that bad. Nine's a little, but they do work. So, I'm gonna quickly bring up. See my face now. I'm gonna move to this transition just to. So, gonna do some changing. So, we're going to quickly illuminate. Off. Now. I want to get a zoom. This new scene. can't really see that well what key is what, but this does look nice without the lights on. You press it, light goes across. If we go down, the reactive should be just, we can pick any color, so we can make it like purple, red, I think we'll stick with white there. See, but it's not constantly pushed down. The key, this, whatever. I think I normally run Prism. Haze, my bad. Yeah, it does look nice with color. Don't get me wrong. But I think I'm gonna run it off so I can enjoy the pink aesthetics. But they do feel nice. So, with that being said, I think that's all I have for this video. So, I appreciate you, if you guys are still here watching to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed my unboxing of my new keycaps that I suck at doing because I'm terrible at unboxings. I can't lift it because of the cable. But if you do enjoy this content or any of the other content you've seen on my YouTube, subscribe, hit the notification button so you know whenever I post, because I try to post weekly. Hit me up with a comment on this video, like, subscribe, all the usual stuff. If you want to see where I post most of the time, it's only Instagram. I do have a Twitter at @I'mTrashIPing. Not as much posting on that, but on Instagram is at @NotVisual_. I do post a lot. I try to be active on those two at the moment. Then I try to integrate Twitter a little bit. But anyway, like I said, if you do enjoy, subscribe, like, comment, the usual. Put notifications on when I upload the next video. And hope to see you guys next time with some good old Fortnite or some sort of game with my new keycaps. I'll be like, I'm winning because of these. Anyway, I hope you enjoy. I hope you have a wonderful day. And I hope to catch you